Apple fans, brace yourselves. The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be one of the biggest surprises of the entire iPhone 17 lineup. At first, we thought it would be a budget-friendly, lightweight model. But now, leaks suggest it might be more pro than expected, and it could change how Apple does iPhones. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be the thinnest and lightest iPhone Apple has ever made, even slimmer than the iPhone 6. We're talking under 6mm thickness with a feather-light aluminum frame and a flat back that gives it a super clean look. And get this, it may come in bold new pastel colors, plus a frosted matte finish similar to the Pro models. Unlike earlier Air rumors pointing to a stripped-down device, the 17 Air is now expected to feature a 6.1-inch Promotion OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, same as the Pro models. And yes, it's also likely to rock the A19 chip, which means cutting-edge performance and AI enhancements. Due to its slim form, we don't expect a huge battery, but Apple may introduce a new stacked battery tech for better capacity in a thin shell. And yes, rumors point to USB-C, MagSafe, and even fast charging improvements up to 35W. The camera setup? You might expect just one or two sensors, but leaks show dual cameras with advanced AI imaging, possibly a 48-megapixels main sensor and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide. This iPhone is also likely to be eSIM only, just like the iPhone 15 and 16 in the US. No physical SIM slot in many regions. Now here's the twist. Apple might price the iPhone 17 Air between the standard and Pro models. We're hearing around $899 to $949 USD. Not quite cheap, but packed with premium features. Launch? Mid-September 2025, right alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. So yeah, the iPhone 17 Air might not just be a lightweight iPhone. It could actually be the stealth flagship of the year. Thinner than ever, lighter than ever, but still packed with pro-grade tech. If you're excited about this surprise twist in Apple's iPhone strategy, hit that like button. And comment below, would you pick the iPhone 17 Air over the Pro Max? Subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got hands-on coverage coming as soon as it drops.